In today's video, I will show you how to download song on Spotify or to your phone, even without Premium. Welcome to my channel. Let's dive in. Open the Spotify app. The first thing you have to do is to create a playlist. In the bottom right corner, tap on the plus icon and type playlist. Now you can give your playlist a name. Now let me give this playlist a something like digital and click create. What you have to do now is go to your home tab, or here you can add every song label here to your playlist. If you are not satisfied with this song, recommended song, you can go to your home tab and go to music. Now scroll down. You can add any of this song to your playlist. Type this if you want to download it and add to playlist Allison Digital. Tap the undo button. Now come to your library and tap on the playlist. Now, for you to download the song you add to your playlist, you have to be a premium member. Now, here's the secret most people don't know exists. Now, for you to download this song and you don't have a premium, tap the undo button, come to your home tab again and scroll down, tap the three dot menu and tap the share icon and copy the link of that song. What you have to do is to customize the app and go to your Google. In the search bar, type Spotify downloader, the one you are seeing in the search bar, and click search. Then type this one you are seeing, Spotify song downloader, right? Click on it and paste the link of the song you copy from Spotify and click download. Wait for a second for the verification on. Give it a few seconds. Once that is done, click on get link here and click download now. Give it a few seconds for the song to be downloaded. Now it's downloaded successfully. What you have to do is to customize the app and go to your file. Now go to audio and hit the search bar. The song I just downloaded, the title is Sinner. And you can see the song I downloaded from Spotify. I can listen to it offline. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I love to see you in my next video. Bye for now.